Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is the introduction of drug safety. First, to discuss the drug safety. Drug safety is also known as the pharmacovigilance in the science and activities associated with the detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse effect or any other drug related problems. It's called as the pharmacovigilance or drug safety. Next, it is a critical component of healthcare and pharmaceutical development, aiming for ensuring the safe and effectiveness use of medicines. Now to discuss the importance of drug safety, protection of patient health, the ensure the medications and use to safety and effectively minimize the risks of patients, and regulatory compliance for the pharmaceutical companies must adhere to string the regulation to bring drugs to market and monitor their safety post approval, and public trust the reliable safety monitoring builds the confidence in medicine and healthcare systems, and advancing medical science for the importance of in drug safety to identifying and managing drug related risks, contribution to be development and safe medication. Now to discuss the key components of drug safety. First one is the adverse drug reaction, means ADR, the unintended and harmful reaction to the drug at the normal doses. For example, include the mild side effects, nausea, severe reactions, liver damage are the example of ADR. The pharmacovigilance system, the frameworks for the collecting the collecting, monitoring, and analyzing the data related to the drug safety, and includes the spontaneous reporting, and systems and structural studies. And third one is the risk benefit analysis to weighing the therapeutic benefits of drug against the potential risks. Regulatory agencies to bodies such as the FDA, USA, EMA, UA, WHO ensure the drug safety and through regulation of guidelines to provided. The FDA is the regulatory authority of US, EMA is the Europe, and WHO is the worldwide guideline for provided. And the post marketing surveillance, the ongoing monitoring of drug after its approval to detect and address long term safety issue. For the use of the post marketing surveillance is the fourth type of the clinical trial for the marketed drug to check the monitoring and drug safety for the approval, detect the assessment, and for the long time issues. Drug safety life cycle, the preclinical studies, clinical studies, drug safety clinical study, preclinical study, and the preclinical study means the access the safety of lab and animal studies before the human trial. And clinical trials are the include the four phases. Phase 1 is also known as the assess the safety and dosing. Phase 2 is the evaluate efficacy and monitor the side effect. Phase 3 to confirm the safety and effectiveness in a larger population. And post marketing surveillance to post marketing surveillance to check the safety of the market and continue access to general population. Post approval marketing, challenges of drug safety. Challenges of drug safety is the um, under porting to data overload, global variety, they are the challenges of drug safety. The future trends in pharmacy safety to use of the artificial intelligence and machine for learning the ADR detection, increase the patient involvement in safety reporting, and these are the drug safety is the dynamic field for the and to dynamic field requirements to collaboration between the healthcare profession, pharmaceutical companies and regulatory bodies for the safe of use of medicines. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.